So I've been using this Elements Armor Protective Case by RAEGR for the iPhone XS Max since quite a long time now, and I must say this is one of the best cases that I have ever used for the iPhone XS Max, and here's my review of it. So this is a beautiful, elegant and a super premium look and feel case for the iPhone XS Max. The case is available in two variants, one is walnut wood and one is carbon fiber. My personal favorite was walnut wood. It has a classy look, and on my XS Max, which is the gold variant, it looks really good. It is a really high quality product. It has a TPU polymer with actual wood, which is the walnut wood or the carbon fiber, whichever variant you go for. It supports wireless charging. It is a strong case, but it's lightweight. It has perfect thickness. It's not bulky like other cases, so it's really easy to put in pocket or remove it. It has a good raised screen lip to protect your screen, which is really nice, and the same goes for the back. It has a good protected lip to protect the camera lens. Overall, in my opinion, this is one of the best cases that you can get for the iPhone XS Max. Totally worth the price, and if you are interested, I'll drop the purchase link in the description. And a big thanks to TechieTake for providing this case for review.